Welcome to our deep dive into optimizing AI workflows with Claude models. Today, you'll learn how to streamline your AI processes, enhance model accuracy, and reduce development time using Claude. Let's get started.
Did you know that optimizing your AI workflows can drastically cut down development time and elevate project outcomes? Welcome to our channel, where today we uncover the transformative potential of Claude models in AI. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how Claude models can streamline your AI processes, improve model accuracy, and automate tasks, all while enhancing data processing efficiency. Stay tuned to discover practical insights on seamlessly integrating Claude into your existing systems and reducing time to deployment. Let's kick things off by diving into the capabilities of Claude models. Claude models stand out in the AI landscape with their ability to handle complex data processing tasks efficiently. Unlike traditional models, Claude's architecture is designed to optimize workflows by integrating seamlessly with existing systems. Key features include advanced natural language processing, machine learning optimization, and adaptive learning techniques. These capabilities make Claude an invaluable asset in diverse applications, from predictive analytics to automated customer service. By leveraging its robust computational power, Claude models significantly enhance AI efficiency, providing a competitive edge in AI projects. Next, let's explore how to set up a Claude-based workflow. Setting up Claude requires careful planning and execution. Start by configuring the essential components, ensuring that your data pipeline is robust and secure. The integration with existing systems is key. Claude's flexibility allows for seamless adaptation to various platforms. After setup, conduct thorough testing and validation to ensure the workflow operates as expected. It's crucial to address common challenges, such as data compatibility issues and system latency, early on. By establishing a strong foundation, you pave the way for optimized AI performance.
Efficient system integration is crucial for maximizing the potential of Claude models. Start by evaluating your current system's architecture to identify integration points. Claude's design allows for seamless interoperability, reducing the friction often encountered during the integration process. Address potential data compatibility issues by utilizing Claude's adaptive algorithms, which can process diverse data types. Real-world success stories highlight the transformative impact of successful Claude integration, such as improved data processing speeds and enhanced model accuracy. Remember, maintaining system performance is vital, so regularly monitor and optimize your integrated setup. One of Claude's standout features is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Begin by identifying tasks within your workflow that are time-consuming and prone to human error. Claude's automation capabilities can handle these efficiently, freeing up valuable human resources for more strategic initiatives. Automation not only boosts productivity but also enhances accuracy by minimizing the potential for errors. Consider case studies where businesses have successfully implemented Claude for automation, resulting in significant time savings and improved operational efficiency. By leveraging Claude's automation, you can streamline processes and focus on innovation. Data processing efficiency is critical in AI workflows, and Claude models excel in this area. By utilizing Claude's advanced data management tools, you can significantly speed up data processing times. Whether dealing with large datasets or complex data structures, Claude's optimization capabilities ensure smooth data workflows. This not only improves processing speed but also enhances data accuracy. Real-world examples show businesses achieving impressive efficiency gains, translating to faster decision-making and improved outcomes. By focusing on data processing efficiency, Claude models help you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving AI landscape.
Reducing time to deployment is a key advantage of using Claude models. Claude offers a suite of deployment tools that streamline various development phases, from initial setup to final rollout. By shortening timelines, you can quickly bring your AI solutions to market, staying competitive in fast-paced industries. Claude's deployment tools minimize risks by providing robust testing environments and automated rollback features. Explore successful deployment examples where businesses have cut deployment times in half, achieving faster ROI. With Claude, you can efficiently manage deployments, reducing time and resource expenditure. Improving model accuracy is crucial for reliable AI outputs, and Claude models are designed to excel in this area. By leveraging advanced learning algorithms, Claude enhances predictive accuracy, adapting to new data and evolving trends. Continuous improvement processes allow Claude to refine its models over time, ensuring consistent accuracy. Real-world improvements highlight the positive impact of Claude on AI reliability, with businesses reporting more accurate forecasts and decisions. By focusing on accuracy, Claude models help build trust in AI solutions, fostering greater adoption and success.
Let's look at some real-world examples where Claude models have been successfully integrated into AI workflows across various industries. From healthcare to finance, Claude has demonstrated its versatility and effectiveness. Successful implementation stories reveal measurable business outcomes, such as increased efficiency and reduced operational costs. These examples offer valuable lessons on navigating challenges during Claude deployment and highlight the model's potential for future applications. By understanding these success stories, you can gain insights into leveraging Claude for your own AI projects, unlocking new possibilities and driving innovation.
As we conclude this deep dive into optimizing AI workflows with Claude models, let's recap the key benefits: streamlined workflows, enhanced data processing, improved model accuracy, and reduced time to deployment. I encourage you to explore implementing Claude in your projects to experience these advantages firsthand. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please share in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more AI insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content that empowers your AI journey.